Henny, gutka, tobacco, pan masala is an enormous problem in our country. Their consumption is one of the major reasons of oral cancer. This patient is a case of tongue cancer and consequently his larynx had to be removed.
अब सब भगवान के ऊपर है।
He was a football player. His throat cancer has now spread to his brain.
वो जहाँ भी जाते थे जीत के आते थे।
Tobacco not just affects men. This patient's tongue, her jaw had to be removed.
उनका हाथों का 2 छुरी बेच दिया।
Tobacco tears families apart. Every single smoker who smokes faces the challenge of quitting smoking. The moment you quit smoking, that very moment, more than 7,000 plus chemicals, out of which 70 plus are carcinogenic, around 240 plus gases, and highly addictive nicotine cease to enter inside your body. Within the first 20 minutes of quitting smoking, pulse and blood pressure drop to normal and circulation improves. Within the first 12 hours of quitting smoking, carbon monoxide levels drop back to normal and heart works less harder to pump oxygen throughout the body. Within the first 24 hours of quitting smoking, blood pressure drops and the risk of heart diseases and stroke decreases. Within the first 48 hours of quitting smoking, senses of taste and smell are restored as nerve endings heal. The body enters phase of detoxification and peak withdrawal symptoms begin to show up. Within the first 3 days of quitting smoking, nicotine levels in blood deplete and this is the phase of maximum withdrawal symptoms. Within the first 3 months of quitting smoking, cravings subside and lungs become stronger and clearer. Within the first 9 months of quitting smoking, major physical changes appear as cilia which were earlier damaged because of smoke begin to regenerate themselves. By the first year of quitting smoking, a person has healed significantly and the risk of heart diseases decreases by half. And by the first 5 years of quitting smoking, you're half as likely to get cancer. But is it really so easy to quit smoking? Once you quit smoking, you realize it's not the friend you thought it was. Because sometimes quitters do win.